Hello everyone, how are you all? In today's video, I will tell you how to use the Zoiper application and how to call your country using the Zoiper application. If you live in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, Indonesia, Bahrain, Iraq, Germany, America, or any other country in the world, then how will you call your country, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal? And you can call by setting your desired number, that is, you can set the caller ID. So watch the entire video to know how to set the caller ID and how to make a call. If someone needs the username, password, and hostname or domain link of the Zoiper application, then how to get it? You can see my number on the screen, send a WhatsApp message on it. You will get the ID at a low price. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to install the Zoiper application. After that, open the Zoiper application. Then here you will get the option to enter the username and password. So let me enter my username and password. After that, click on the login option. You have to click and then enter the hostname or domain. So let me enter my hostname. After that, click on next. After that, do not do anything here and skip by clicking on the skip option. After that, such an option will come here. Wait for a while. After that, finish option will come. After that, click on finish option. After that, allow. Now you have to set the caller ID from which number you want to call. So how will you set it? Let's see. You will see the 3-line option here. Click on it. After that, click on the setting option. After that, click on the account option. After that, click on the username. There is a caller ID option below. Click on it. You can enter the caller ID here. That means the call will be made from the same number which you enter here. I am showing you, for example, I will enter the caller ID here. After that, click on the OK option. Then your caller ID will be set. After that, you will know how to call, so you have to click on the back button option. After that, you will get the option to enter the number. If you want to call India, then first you will have to enter the country code of India 91. If you want to call Pakistan, then you will have to enter the country code of Pakistan 92. This is how Zoiper application is used. If anyone needs username, password, hostname, then our WhatsApp number is visible on the screen. Contact on that, you will get the ID at